Hello and welcome to the Cambridge English 805 speaking exam. This level has three parts. Part 1. In this part of the exam, there are two pictures which are nearly the same. You have one of the pictures and the examiner has the other one. You must look at your picture and identify 6 differences and say how your picture is different. You'll follow the examiner's lead. The differences will relate to things like number, color, position, appearance, and so on. For example, in my picture, it's 5:30, but in your picture, it's 5 o'clock. Part 2. Information exchange. In this part of the exam, the candidates ask and answer some questions based on a set of question cues. The candidate has one set, while the examiner has the other one. Questions. The questions can be about a person, a place, or an object. Candidates need to be able to ask and answer question words. Questions using who, and what, and when, and where, and how old, and how many, and so on. Robert and Sarah like eating at the restaurant. They both have a favorite restaurant. I don't know anything about Robert's favorite restaurant, but you do so. I'm going to ask you some questions. So, first, what does Robert like eating at the restaurant? That's right, he likes eating pasta. And now it's your turn to ask question. Part 3. In this part of the exam, you are asked to tell a story. The title of the story and the names of the main characters are already given to you. In this case, the brave teacher and the characters are Nick and Anna. The examiner starts by describing the first picture. Now it's time to start our story. Let's go. Tell a story. It's called The Brave Teacher. Look at the first picture. Nick and Anna are looking out of the window. The teacher isn't happy because they aren't doing their work. Then the candidates continue the story. Remember that it's important to talk about all of the pictures. Let's move on to the 4th level, which is called KET, Key English Test. Key English Speaking Test has 2 parts. In the first part, a short personal information, questions and answers exchanged between you and the examiner. Now, in this part of the test, you are going to talk together. The examiner asks the candidates in turn for some factual information, for example, questions about their daily lives, likes and dislikes, hobbies, friends and family, school or work, etc. In part 2, you will be given some cards with images, ideas or information, and then a card with some ideas for questions. After, you will have to talk with the other candidate and ask or answer questions. Here's some information about a dentist. You don't know anything about the dentist, so ask your partner some questions about it. Use these words to help you.